guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to add a video background in the Google Sites. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So here we are on our Google Sites page. So this is the home page, and here we can just create a new site, edit it, and we can use it in many other purposes. So if you want to know more about this, you can just go check in the Google Sites tutorials that are on PC Tips Pro. So we have posted on various topics of PC Tips Pro, like how can you add the callable buttons, how can you create a site. So many things are covered in the tutorials. You can just go and check it out, and all I also will be giving those link to the description. You can just go there and check out all the videos that are there. And now let's see about our topic, that is how can we add a video background to our website. So as of now, let us take some template, because like without how can we construct and all, we have seen them in the tutorials. So if not, you can just go and watch. So now I'm just taking a template now, as of now. So after I just open it, so in order to upload your background image, so here we have some default background image. So let's say that you want to upload a video, that is our aim. So I can just go here and I can only see the option that is change image, and I can click on the upload, and I can only change the image, and I don't see any video option to change onto this background. So I can only change with the image. So how can you use your video onto your background? So let's see how we can do that. So firstly, you need to have a video that you want to give it as a background to your Google Sites. So let me just show my video. So this is the video that I want to give as my background. So let me just see how we can do this. So here I want to convert my video to GIF format. So for that, I have chosen this website, that is easegif.com. You can use any websites, like there are many websites that could convert your video to the GIF. So we can just use this one, and we can create the video to the GIF. So I'm at the GIF maker. So video to GIF, this is what I want. So let me just go for it. So now I have added this video, I have uploaded it to this easegif.com, and once I have done with this, here I have the option to convert to GIF. So let me just be patient and wait for it. So here we got this output GIF, so which we can download it. So we just want it as a GIF. So what we can do is we can just right click on it, and we can save the image, and yes, so in this way we can save it. So now let's get back to our Google Sites, and now let's try this. So click on the change image and click on upload. So here you can see that our GIF file is now available. So just click on it and wait for it to get uploaded, and here you can see that your website's background image of your homepage is a video now. Isn't it beautiful? And it is making it your website more professional. So you can just check it out here, and you can add more settings. So in this way you can add any video to your Google Sites as the background image. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro, and don't miss to click on this bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. And thank you for watching, guys.